Welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix, friends. I'm so excited that you're here because this week I have a very special video for you guys, and it's gonna be all about my favorite date ideas and my favorite things that I've done with my boyfriend over the last 6 months. We are going to celebrate our 6 months this weekend with a fancy date, and I am so excited. I get to wear a fancy dress, I get to put on like my fancy earrings, and we're gonna go to a nice restaurant. And so this is something that I don't get to do very often as an amputee, obviously, and still living in my parents' home. A lot of times we just hang out here. So I thought it would be fun to do a video all about what I have enjoyed doing the most and what date ideas we've done to be amputee friendly. Another one of my favorite games to play with him is Forbidden Sky. This is a cooperative game where you try to build the board. So you actually build the board and it's a little bit different every time, so I like that aspect of it. And then your main goal is to try to get the rocket ship to go and basically like save the world, and you got to get everybody on the rocket ship to save the day. So here's the back. It comes with all these like little tiles and stuff. It has these little batteries in the rocket ship, so when you build the whole circuit and everything, it does this like surprise thing when you win, and it's cool. One of my favorite games to play with him has been Ticket to Ride. I love this game. You get to try and put your trains across the map and everything, and then like if you get the longest train and the most route cards, then you win.
Another one of my favorite things is when we go and play Pokemon Go together. I liked going out and doing raids together and taking over gems together. So it's a collaborative way to kind of play, and it also helps us go out and get some sun too as well, because you have to a lot of times be at the physical location to make the raids work.
I love playing Pokemon Unite because Pokemon Unite is a collaborative game that both of us can play while I have to ice my leg and have it up in the air.
My favorite date was when I got to watch Marvel movies with my boyfriend, and we have been binging a lot of Marvel movies lately, but a movie on the lawn was a lot of fun. We got a bunch of sidewalk chalk one day and decided to draw on the sidewalk, and I decided to draw us together, me as an amputee and him, and then I tried to draw my footprints and realized that they were all just 1 foot, which was hilarious. Blockers is a game where you get to try and put the different shaped pieces together, and you try and block your opponent out with the pieces. You put them in by their corners and then try to fill up the whole board, but also get it so that your opponent can't put down their pieces. One of my goals is eventually to ski again, and I told this to my boyfriend, and then I realized that we still had a skiing game for our old Wii, like 2010 Wii.
Just wanted to say, if you've been enjoying my videos, make sure you subscribe, click the Phoenix button over here, and if you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back next week. Bye!